गुड इवनिंग. हो आयचो कार्यक्रम म्हाका खूब म्हत्वाचो आसा कित्याक दीस वॉज आवर अ बेबी ऑफ फुटबॉल आनी हे फुटबॉलाक लागून ग्रावंडाक लागून आमी खूब खूब प्रयत्न केलो हे हो फुटबॉल स्टेडियम बांदपाक. आयचे मदें आमचे मदें आसा आमचो MLA मिस्टर मायकल लोबो, आमचे आमचे पादिगारूय आसा आमचो फादर मारियानो दे सिल्वा जिल्वेरा, आमचो MD मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ GSIDC रोहित कदम. हेजेरूच आमचे सगळे पयशांचें धरलेलें आसा आनी म्हाका दिसता सर आमकां फटाफट हो स्टेडियम बांदून दितलो म्हणून. आमचे मदें खूब आमचे मानेस्त लोक आसा, सगळे बसलेले आसा. आमचे सरपंचूय आरपोरची, मागीर जिल्ला पंचायत आमची कलांगूटची, आनी हांव फकत नांवां सांगत जाल्यार खूब टायम लागतलो. सो त्या पासून हांव सगळ्यांक मानेस्तांक वेलकम करता. तशेंच तुमी लोकांक खूब भोगता इतलो लोक येयलो म्हणून. हांव आभार मानता आमचे इस्कॉलाचो, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ लिटल फ्लावर, सेंट जोझफ, मागीर हे सगळे इस्कॉला जे आमी स्पोर्ट्स फेस्टिवलाक हे करता, ते पार्टिसिपेट करतात, ते हांगासर येयलेले आसा. आनी प्रेस मिडिया आनी मोगाळ भाव भयणानो. 2005 8 मे हो आमचे स्टेडियम आमचे चालू जालेलो और आमी इनॉग्रेशन केलेलें. आनी तेन्ना आमचो प्रेसिडेंट आसलो सर्गेस्त आमचो जुआंतो लोबो, आमचो डेप्युटी सरपंचूय आसलो कलंगूटचो, तेजें घर हांगासरूच लागीं आसा. आनी तो स्वताच ह्या ग्रावंडाक लागून आमी झगडटाले आनी झगडोन गव्हर्मेंटा लागीं. पूण हो थोडीच म्हायती दिता हो कसो ग्रावंड हांगासर येयलो तो. दोतोर विली जेन्ना आमचो MLA आहलो तेन्ना कलंगूटचो, तेणेन हो ग्रावंड एक्वायर केल्लो. होच न्हू पूण खूब सुवात्यो कलंगूट बिचार और बागान हे सगल्यो तेणेनूच एक्वायर केल्ले. आनी हो ग्रावंड आमकां आयज तरी पळोवंक मेवता जाल्यार आमी आमचे सर्गेस्त डॉक्टर विलीक मान दिवंक जावो. तेजे उपरांत आमचे मदें येयलो सुरेश पर्वडेकर, आमचो MLA आसलो कलंगूटचो. तेन्ना तेणेनूय म्हाका खूब आदार दिलो आनी हो ग्रावंड लेवल करपाक दिलें. आनी तेजे उपरांत आमी 5 मे 2005 हो ग्रावंड आमी चालू केलो. आनी चालू करता आसतना आमचे लागीं पयशे नासले. सो सगळे आमचे बरे मागपी लोक, स्पेशली डेरेक पेरेरा, हेणें फुडाकार घेतलो आनी हो ग्रावंड त्या टायमार आमी स्टँडा करून अबावट 3 crores आमी मोडले. हे सगळे आमी तुमकां दिसता हे सगळे आमचे आदलेच इन 2005. तेन्ना आमचे मदें आसलो आमचो फेबियन, आमचो आदलो पंच बॉनी, तोय पंच, आनी आमचो एकनाथ नागवेकर. तेन्ना आमी हो एक सोसायटी कशी केली आनी हेका नांव घातलें पोरियट फुटबॉल ग्रावंड एंड रिक्रिएशनल सेंटर म्हणून. आनी तशेंच हे एक्वायर जाल्ले तेन्ना दोतोर विलीन केल्ले तेन्ना हेजेर बरयल्लें आसलें की पोरियट फुटबॉल ग्रावंड एंड रिक्रिएशनल सेंटर. सो आयज परतून हे आमचे आमकां मान मेवता. हो आतां हो ग्रावंड आमी फुडें स्टँडा घालपाक. आनी हांवें जेन्ना मायकलाक विचारलें, मायकल तूं आतां GSIDC चेअरमॅन आसा म्हणून, सो तेन्ना म्हणलो वय आपूण कितें करूंक शकता. तुजो स्टँड्स घाल, आमचो परतून पीच कोर, मागीर हाय मास्लेम लायटी घाल रातचे हेवपाक. आनी तेणेन म्हटलें वय आपूण करता. आनी सर कदमान हे मानून घेतले आमचे. आमी रेजोल्युशन घेतलें पंचायतीन, मायकलाक धाडलें, मायकलान मागीर सराक दिलें, आमचे कदम सराक. आनी आयज ह्यो आमचो प्रोग्राम हो चालू करता कित्याक तेंचे वरवीं GSIDCचे वरवीं आमी हो प्रोग्राम आमी चालू करतले. आतां कितलो खर्च जातलो, कसो जातलो तो तुमकां आमचो MLA सांगतलो कशें कितें करतलो. पूण आमचें स्टँड येता तें घर आसा पळय फाटल्यान, थंय सावन हे सायडीक हे सगळे आख्खे स्टँड जातले आमचे आनी हे डबल डेकर येतलो हांगा वयर ते तुका आमचो मायकल नाजाल्यार कदम सरी सांगतलो कशें कितें करतले ते आमी तिचोर आमचे आतां आमकां प्रॉब्लम जाल्लो आसा की ट्रॅफीक पुलीस आमचे ग्रावंड फ्लोरार आहा त्या पासत आमकां 2 गेमी हाडूंक मेळना सो त्या पासत आमी आतां एक ट्रॅफीक सेलूय तिचोर बांदता सायडीक आनी तेन्ना तांकां ते शिफ्ट करतले आमी सो त्या पासत आमचे नांव वस्तीक फुटबॉल प्लेयर जावन गेले कालागुटान थोडे हांगा आसा थोडे दुसरे गेमी लायक टेबल टेनिसूय आमचो अविन सरूय आसा आनी हे सगळे आमचे मदें आमकां कालागुटाक खूब स्पोर्ट्सान खूब आमी म्हणजे वावुरता आनी खूब जाणांक उमेद आसा आमचे कोंगोटीन आनी आदी कालांगूट म्हणल्यार फुटबॉलाक चड फामाद आसले अजुनूय आसा पूण आमकां आतां हो तेंको धरून आमकां आयज उगडास आसा आमचो बेंजामीन गॉयस प्रियन्सा तेणेन अर्थ पेलो हो क्लब हाडलेलो पयलोच पुर्तुगेज टायमार मागीर तेज्या उपरांत आमी कालांगूट एसोसिएशन केलें सो कालांगूट एसोसिएशनाचो प्रेसिडेंट आयज पद्मा कुमार नायर आमचे मदें आहा आनी तसो आदलो लेरियोय आसा प्रेसिडेंट सर तुकाय वेलकम आनी हे सगळे मानीस लोक आसून आमी आमचे कोंगोटकारांक सदांच आमी पयलो आनी व्हडलो जागो दिवंक जाय आयज ब्रुडो कुतिनूय ना पूण ताका आमी आपयलोलो पूण पावोंक ना दिसता तो लायक एलेक्स मिरांडे आमचे फुटबॉल आहलो मागीर आमचो खोबराडेचो आतां येयल्लो आहा तो आमचो दिगांबर हे सगळे आनी आमी धाकटे आसतना आमी तेंचे जेसी नंबर पळयताले हेजो एलेक्स मिरांडाचो 22 नंबर आसलो सो हे हितून आमकां खूब उमेद भोगताली हे आमचे कोंगोटकार खेळटाले म्हणून देंप्याक और सालगांवकाराक तेन्ना आमी बांदोडकार स्टेडियमाचेरूय वयताले सो आयज आमकां मायकल हो आमकां हो तसोच एक स्टेडियम बांदून दिवपाचो तुवें आनी हांव सहमतां तूं ना म्हणचो नाय म्हणून स्टार्ट केलाय तुवें सो हे आदले कितें जालां ते डिफरन्सीस फाटीं दवरया आनी हो चॅप्टर स्टार्ट करुया आमी आनी तितले म्हणसर सगल्यांक आमी तुमकां चडांत चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा थँक्यू
Development of football stadium in Kalangut. It was supposed to be at the hands of Dr. Pramod Sawant, who is our Chief Minister, but yesterday evening he told me that he cannot come because of the yesterday's state mourning which was there in honor of late Mrs. Munsarat. So he told me you and Sarpanch and the members here can lay the foundation stone, but he promised that he will come for the inauguration. Present for this function are our very own Father Mariano Silveira, parish priest of St. Alex Church. Father, thank you for coming and gracing this occasion and blessing the foundation stone. Sarpanch of Kalangut, Bab Joseph Siqueira, all the Panchayat members, ZP member Franzilia Rodriguez. We have with us Rohit Kadam, who is our MD of JSIDC. The same contractor is going to do this work. I request the contractor, जो तेंचो managing partner येयल्लो आहा, आप काम शुरुआत करो. कहाँ गया? Please stand. He is the contractor who is going to start the work. आप चालू करना है यहाँ काम, देरी नहीं करनी है, क्योंकि हमको इनॉग्रेशन भी इलेक्शन से पहले ही करना है. ये तो साले मेंबर बोलेंगे मेरे को आपने खाली फाउंडेशन डाल के चले गए, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. So we will make sure that not only foundation, the work will commence. The 2 slabs which are there has to be casted and the work should get ready within a span of the next 4 months. हांव आनीक सांगूंक दिसता म्हाका की कोमनीदाद ऑफ कालांगूट has been generous enough. आमचो प्रेसिडेंट बाब एंटनी, आमचो आगोस्टीन प्रोयन्स आनी तेजी आख्खी टीम they have given some 2 lakh square meters of land to Kalangut Panchayat for recreational sports आणि one big hall, जे hall Kalangutak जाय for wedding or any other purpose like the hall which is there in Taligaon. अशें बरो recreational facility करपा खातीर तेंच्यांनी हो जागो दिल्लो आहा तेंकां. आमी तेचेरूय गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन ही फायल मूव करून जेन्ना पंचायत आमकां सांगतले की GSIDC should take up this work, we will plan, we will put up a consultant and see that this facility, recreational sports area, तेजे भायर जे हॉल आसतले, ओपन एअर हॉल आसतले, बाकीचे वस्तू तेंकां जो तो थिंगा एड्युकेशनल फॅसिलिटी कितें करपाक जाय 2 lakh square meters लँड जे तेंच्यांनी तेंकां पयली NOC दिल्या आणि लँड हँड ओवर केलें. लँड ना अजुनूय लँड हँड ओवर करूंक ना पूण तेंकां NOC दिल्ली आहा, प्रोसेस चालू आहा. सो हो जो तर if the panchayat gets it in hand, definitely government will look into it very much positively. The other day when I was with CM, हांवें ताका सांगलें की अशी लँड आमकां मेळिल्ली आहा आनी ह्या लँडार आमकां कितें तरी बरी फॅसिलिटी कलांगूट विलेजेसांक करून दिवपाची गरज आहा. सो ही इमिडिएटली सेट I will definitely pass the required budget to see that the work will start in phase manner. म्हणजे एकदाच आख्खे जावचें ना, म्हणजे ते फॅसिलिटी घोडे 30-40 crores आसतली, बट फेज मॅनर फ्रॉम 15 crores अशें करून ते म्हाका दिसता कंप्लीट जावन कांयच हें ना, दुबाव ना. आनी I am very much confident that in the days to come, in the months to come, not only this facility, all the works which we have started in Kalangut village, जे अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग आसतले फ्रॉम पंचायत टू बांदोडकर स्टॅच्यू, ऑल वायर्स अंडरग्राउंड, इलेक्ट्रिकल प्लस ऑल द इंटरनेट वायर्स जे हँग जाता, जे फुटपाथाचेर पडलेले आसता, बरी फुटपाथ आनी चॅनलायज्ड पायपलायन लायक वॉटर आणि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्लस ऑल द अदर फॅसिलिटीज विल ऑल गो अंडरग्राउंड with new lamps. Also the facility which we have started with the divider road right from St. Alex Church up to Nagwa will have good lamps, electrical lamps which are already come, which will go in the divider. Plants will be planted in the middle, and I think that particular road will be a signature road. जे लोक त्या रोडाक स्पेशली पळोवपाक येतले. आमी रिक्वेस्ट केला पंचायतीचे सरपंचाक आनी मेंबरांक की तुम्ही थिंगा सायडीक बरे म्युरल्स घाला, so that people, the tourists will come only to do photography over there. Murals घाला, झाडां लाया, the way we have done in Parra Madani, जे आमी थिंगासर टायल्स घातलेले आहा, म्युरल्स घातलेले आहा, मेन रोडार म्युरल्स घातलेले आहा. अशे म्युरल घालीत टू showcase what was Kalangut those years, what is the culture of Kalangut. म्हणजे लोकांचो हे कितें म्हणजे फिशरमॅन विलेज प्लस फिल्ड्स, आनी म्हाका दिसता हे सगळे वस्तू दाखोवपाची गरज आहा ट्युरिस्टांक, लोकल्सांक and other people who come in the village of Kalangut. I thank MD GSIDC who took special interest for our village, and specially आमचो जो consultant आहा ह्या प्रोजेक्टाचो consultant जो आमच्या वांगडा हिंगासर आसा संजय सावंत. He has really taken up this project as his personal pet project, saying that this project is very dear to my heart and I will see that it is completed in time and good quality work will be maintained. अशें तेणें सांगलां. I will come periodical for inspections and see that it is completed. I thank the Panchayat of Kalangut, Father, and all the Panchayat members who have continuously followed up with me, and all you football lovers who will see in the days to come that this stadium will be ready and will be put to right use. Thank you very much. God bless.
आतां थंयसर हांव बसलो सायडीक येदो असो भुरगो, ताचो बापूय ताका गोड धरिनासलो, केंस कातरतालो. ताच्या उपरांत केंस कातरल्या उपरांत ताचो बापूय बसलो केंस कातरून, आनी हो येदोसो भुरगो फाटल्यान जागो इतलोच तुमी जाणात, बार्बेरीन जागो व्हडलो आसून हांगासान येदोच, आनी हो सगळे वगत उडयो मारता, धांवता आनी रोनाल्डोची एक्शन करता. सगळो करता रोनाल्डो सिग्नेचर स्टेप मागीर हांवें ताका विचारलें नांव कितें काय म्हणून सपनील म्हणूंक लागलो इल्ल्याशा भुरग्याच्या पासून काळजान खेळपाचो उमेद आसा पूण जागो गोडेक ना वो फॅसिलिटीज ना म्हणटकूच हांव आयज खुशाल आज सगळ्यांनी जावं सर मायकल सर आलेक्स जावं आमची GSIDC हांणी खरेंचपणी ही जबाबदारी घेतल्या आनी आमच्या भुरग्यांक ही एक सवलत दिवंक आनी आमच्या भुरग्यांनी आपलो आसलेली कला व गूण दाखोवंक तांणी संदी दिल्या देखून हांव तांकां इतलेंच बरें आवडटा आनी तांकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा थँक्यू गॉड ब्लेस यू
So today we are here for the development of this football stadium. I would like to give a brief about the stadium, what we are going to do basically. So under the visionary guidance of our Honorable CM, Dr. Pramod Sawant, and under Shri Michael Lobo, under whom we have done almost around 15 inaugurations under his leadership in the last 8 months, and around 20 foundations under GSIDC. Also, I would like to mention this that almost the highest number of works which GSIDC has taken is in his constituency, amounting to almost 50 crores. So you should be actually be happy with his performance as an MLA, I would say. The application for pitch also has come, so I think we are in process for that also. For this particular development, our consultant is Vijay Kumar Sawant and the contractor is Malpani, who is appointed, and we are estimating a cost of around 8 to 10 CR, in which we are increasing the seating capacity to approximately 1800 numbers. On the ground floor, we will be having administrative offices, the media room, the referee room, the players' dressing room, the player lounge, public toilets and the gymnasium. On the first floor, we will be having a multi-purpose hall with a capacity of approximately 150 to 200, the conference room, and also the public toilets for the hall. Then, regarding the traffic cell, we will be having a separate building, G+1 building, which is approximately 250 square meters, with a waiting area, office area, foyer, porch, and everything. So, I would like to congratulate you people on this particular occasion. And I would say also, MLA sir, well done, and I hope he carries his work forward.
Congratulate the Panchayat for initiating this ground. I used to study in St. Joseph's High School, Kalangut. As a small boy, we used to come on this ground to play cricket, football, hockey. Hockey was played by St. Joseph's at that time. So slowly we became big and the ground was developed. Now, looking at the visionary prospects of our Honorable CM, Dr. Pramod Sawant, our Honorable MLA, I'd like to thank you, sir, for providing this facility to the village of Kalangut. With these facilities, there are many players from yesteryears who played on this ground, on the Kalangut Association ground. So I hope that more children, I can see few children coming up to play at this ground, and better coaching facilities will be provided with all the changing rooms. So I was a table tennis player. From that, I became the assistant director in the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs. So most of you all might know me, might not. So this is just brief. So I'd like to thank the GSIDC, the Honorable MLA, for providing these facilities for the village of Kalangut. I think so this will be the best ground in the state apart from Fatarda. So thank you, sir. Thank you, one and all.
Well, today I'm really happy and proud that we are laying the foundation stone to develop one of the great stands, I would say. कित्याक आमी केन्ना गेम बापोवंक वयता आमकां either दुलेर, फातोड्डा, तिलक मैदान, because for that quality ground you have to only go and travel so far. But this time, thanks to the Panchayat and MLA, we are getting such a facility over here. So it will be a privilege to watch Goa professional matches and even Goa big matches here, very close in our own village. So I would like to thank the GSIDC for taking this bold step. Another point, that GSIDC does world-class infrastructure. Our MLA also is doing a lot of infrastructure like roads, drainages, You see the new work, the new roster from Jack Sequeira to Bandodkar statue. तो एक model road जावपाचो आहा. All your underground, your electric wires will go underground, your service ducts will be there, so no more breaking of road. At the same time, very important thing is human development, skill development. We say आमचे भुरगे सगळे आतां TV पळयता, मोबायलार आसता. But if you see why, because if you see our childhood days, आमी फाटीं केन्ना धाकटे आसताले, आमकां सगळे ओपन स्पेसीस मेळटाले, सगळ्यांचे बाटाबा ओपन आसताले. वी कुड गो प्ले इन एनी वन्स प्लेस. आ हावस वॉज हियर, वन ओपन स्पेस देर, आमी वयताले क्रिकेट खेळटाले, फुटबॉल खेळटाले. But now you know, now everyone is protecting their land. Land rate is gone so high. Everyone is fencing, compounding their places. So these kids have nowhere to go. Space is for them to play. There's no opportunity. But I think now with the support of the panchayat and support of the MLA, we have to try to get small places wherever we find, develop that places so that our youth, our children can go to play. Now they go for tuitions. So when they come, रात जाता, तांकां light आसना, so they can't play, they are back home. But if we develop these small areas wherever we can find in the village, with the support of the Komidar, the president is here. I think they have given some land to develop a sports village. So I think these kind of ideas and this kind of investment into creating sports, which will help our talent, which will help the talent of our kids, also give them an opportunity to play. Because rather than being in the artificial world of mobile phones and TV, they can be out there playing, practicing, developing talent, so that one day we can see our kids from our own village rise up to be stars of the world. We've seen Football World Cup, we've seen teams. Okay, we've also seen, I don't know if you all are following, there's an under-15 team with young kids which is playing and defeated and won a youth cup. So this is the talent we're talking about. We need to invest in this talent. My appeal to the politicians, to the leaders and government to try to invest in sports, invest in talent so that we can see stars of tomorrow. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.